Good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Dear all, today I am here with a new chapter. The chapter name is Extension of the Number System. So before starting this, I want to explain you two types of number. First is natural number and the second one is the whole number. Natural number starts from 1. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and it goes on. But whole number starts from 0. So whole number means the numbers start from 0, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and goes on. So these are the two types of numbers. Now I am coming to the number system. In this chapter we will study about two types of system. One is Indian place value system and the second one is international place value system. But before that we must know about some terms. I am just telling you. Dear all, this is what? This is 697. But if I am talking about the digits, so see, this is the first digits, this is the second digits and this is the third digit. So these are the digits. Here, how many digits are there? 3 digits. Digits are basically numbers. Now, coming here. This is Indian place value system. In this Indian place value system, 3 periods are there. 3 periods means 3 groups. See here, this is the green line. From here to here, it is the first group or first period. From here to here, it is second group or second period. It is third group or third period. In this first group, there are 3 places, first, second and third. In this second group, there are 2 places, 1 and 2. And in this third group or third period, there are 2 places. So in first group, we have 3 places. In second group, we have 2 places. And in third group, again we have 2 places. Now, see one thing. It is written as ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. In first group, ones, tens, hundred. In second group, 1,000 and 10,000. And in third group, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Again, I am repeating these things. In first group, ones, tens, hundred. In second group, 1,000 and 10,000. And in our third group, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So, I am just telling you one thing. See here, it is ones. Ones means 1. Now, what I will do, see, it is 10. I am writing 1 and adding one more 0 here. 1 0 here. In 100, I am adding 2 zeros. If I am going to do this group, 1,000, I will add 3 zeros. In 10,000, I will add 4 zeros. Here in lakhs, I will add 5 zeros. So see, observe this thing that first of all I have written 1, then I started adding 110. Here I had add 1 0, here I have add 2 zeros, here 3 zeros, here 4 zeros, here 5 zeros and it will go on. But we have to study up to here only. Now, suppose if I am taking a big number, this is a big number 8, 5, 6, 9 and 7. If we want to write this number under this system, how we will write this? Suppose this is my number. I am just writing this number here. First of all, I am writing here, it is 7, then it is 9, it is 6 and it is 5. I have written the same number here. Okay. Now see one thing, that I am putting now this big number here. This 7 I am writing here. This 9 I am writing here. This 6 I am writing here. This 5 I am writing here. and this 8 I am writing here. Now, if I am saying that what is this? How will you read this number? You will read this number as 697. How? 697. Now, I am telling you how to read this big number. See, read with me. It is because this 8 and this 5 comes under this second group of thousands. First group's name is ones. This is our first group. Its name is ones. This is our second group. You can say period also. No problem is there. So this is our second group or second period. Its name is thousand. This is our third group or third period. Its name is lakhs actually. So this 8 and this 5, these both numbers are coming under our second group. See, this is our second group and these are green lines, and between these two green lines, it is our second group. So this is 8 and 5. So this is 85,697. Again I am reading this. This, see, 10,000 is written here and here it is 1,000. We will combinedly read this. This is 85,000 because these both are coming under the same group. Which group? Thousands group. So we will collectively read this. This is 85,697. This is the way how we will read this big number. And again, I am just revising this. Ones means 1. In tens, we will add 1 0. In 100, we will add 2 zeros. In 1,000, we will add 3 zeros. But in 10,000, we will add 4 zeros. And in lakhs, we will add 5 zeros. Now I am telling one more thing. You must learn first this thing that in first group, there are 3 places. In second group, 2 places. And again in third group, 2 places. What I told? In first group, 3 places. In second group, 2 places. And in third group, 2 places. See, this is first group, 3 places are there. This is second group, 2 places are there. First place, second place. This is third group. Here again we have 2 places. So, with the help of this, we can put our commas. So, this is Indian place value system. Under Indian place value system, how we put the commas? See, in first group, there are 3 places. So, this is our number 85697. So, because in first group, there are 3 places. So, after 3 numbers, we will take from right side. We will count from our right side. 1, 2, 3. Then we will put the comma. Because there are 3 places. So, after 3 numbers, we will put our comma. Now, after 2 numbers, we will put our comma. But there is no need to put this comma because there is no number. So, I am just, okay. So, it is like this now. After 3 numbers, I put comma. After 2 numbers, I put comma. Suppose there is one more number, 7. So, how can I write this? See, after 3 numbers, I put comma. Then after 2 numbers, I put comma. Okay, so in Indian place value system, what we do? We put commas. We start from right hand side. After 3 digits, we put comma. Then after 2 digits, we put comma. And then again after 2 digits, we put comma. Now, I am taking this number 5697 only. Taking this small number here because I am just explaining about the digit, place and place value. See, 5697. Now we will start from our right side. This is 7 means 1. So I am writing here ones. 9 means 10. So I am writing T for tens. 6 means 100. 6 means 100, so I am writing H. This 5 means 1000, so I am writing this 1000. So how we will read this? 7 ones, 9 tens, 600 and 5000. This way we will read. Now, digits. If this is our number 5697, so in this number if I talk about this 7, so our digit means 7, and what is the place of this digit? Ones. Ones means 1. This is the place. Okay, ones means 1. So our digit is 7 and our digit is 7 and its place is 1. Place is 1. So when we do multiplication, what we get? 7 into 1 is 7. Its place value is 7. Now, I am taking my next number. This is 9. Our digit is, see this arrow, our digit is 9. I am talking about this digit only this time. So, if I am taking this second digit, this is our 9. So, digit means 9 and its place is tens. Tens means 1 and one more 0. Tens means 1 and one more 0. Okay. So, if we do multiplication, what we get? 9 into 10, that is 90. Now, if I am talking about this 6 is our digit and its place is 100. 100 means 2 zeros. 1 and 2. If we multiply this 6 multiply 100, what we get? 6, 0, 0. Now I am talking about this 5. This 5 is our next digit. How many digits are there? 4. One is this, second is this, third is this, and fourth is this. Same I have written here. Now, what is the place of this digit? This number. The place of this number is 1000. 1000 means 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 and 1. Now when we do multiplication of 5 with 1000, what we get? 5 and 3 zeros. Now again revise with me. These are the digits. 7 is the digit, 9 is the digit, 6 is the digit and 5 is also the digit. Now, so these are the digits. If I am talking about the place of 7 is ones, the place of 9 is tens, the place of 6 is 100, the place of 5 is 1000. Now, if I am talking about the place value, so it is very simple. If I am talking about the place value, so you have to do nothing, only you have to write like this. If it is ones, then you have to write 1. If it is tens, then you have to write 10. If it is 100, you have to write 100. And if it is 1000, you have to write 1000. And for calculating place value, you have to multiply this thing, this digit with this place. We will get the place value. Now, this is abacus. And you all are familiar with this abacus. We can also put these numbers here on the abacus. In abacus, we used to put beads, and this abacus is used as a calculating device. Now, how we will calculate it? See here. Suppose if our number is 2764. See how I have written. First of all, I start with ones. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. I told you earlier also. So when we start ones times 100, we start from our right hand side. So I have written ones, this is 0, this is ones, this is tens, this is 100 and this is 1000. So 4 ones, 6 tens, 700 and 2000. Now I am reading this number. How we will read? See. 2764. 2764. Now if we want to put the beads in this abacus, how we will put? If it is 2, then we will make 2 beads. If it is 7, I will put 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here the number is 6. So I will put 6 beads. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here what is written? 4. So I will make 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can read this tool from here also, or you can read this tool after seeing these beads also. So these are 2 beads. So how we will read? 2000. These are 7 beads. So 700. These are 6 beads. So 6 tens means 60 and these are 4. So these are 4 ones. So 2764. So this is the way how to read number, a big number, with the help of Indian place value system and in abacus also. And now we will solve different types of question in this chapter.